My lord, these matters, actually, my lord, the issue has already been settled, my lord, in the light of a recent judgment which was pronounced by the Honorable Apex Court. So we, by way of IA, had brought on record the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, wherein, my lord, the cases of the petitioner has been now recognized. Now, in brief, if I may just quickly submit, my lord, now these petitioners are aspiring candidates who wanted to participate in a recruitment process in pursuant to an advertisement of 2023, precisely my lord, on 26th of December 2023, the advertisement was issued for a post of assistant teachers all over Assam. Now, just after 1 month of the issuance of that advertisement, by the impugned notification, the authorities in the government, mostly education department, they came out with a notification, my lord, creating an embargo, creating a bar upon certain incumbents who were possessing, my lord, 18 months diploma in elementary education, saying that you all cannot participate because Honorable Apex Court in Javir Singh's case has prohibited incumbents having this diploma. Now, my lord, his court, my lord, we moved a writ petition by challenging this particular impugned notification, my lord. Now, first, the Honorable Single Judge was not keen to protect the petitioners, so we moved before the division bench. Now, division bench protected the petitioners by giving an order that you let them participate in the recruitment process. So we were all allowed to participate in the recruitment process in pursuant to the division bench order, and the recruitment process carried on. And there was a minor observation wherein this court had said that if the results are out, that the results of these petitioners would be kept in seal cover and would be produced, and without the leave of this court, the results will not be declared, my lord. So virtually, my lord, some other series of petitioners also came before this court, and my lord, interim orders were passed accordingly. Now, my lord, during the pendency of this writ petition, what happened? My lord, some affected candidates who had suffered due to the order of the Honorable Apex Court, my lord, creating this embargo for 18 months diploma, they move a review, my lord, a review application before the Honorable Apex Court. Now, Honorable Apex Court, while hearing the review application, clarified that this particular observation that it is not invalid was clarified that this 18 months is a valid degree, my lord. And clearly, by that order, my lord, Supreme Court has observed that these incumbents who had possessed 18 months diploma through, my lord, due process of law, those degrees will be recognized and they are allowed to participate in the recruitment process. So I brought that particular order before this honorable court. On the last occasion, my lord, an order was passed. If your lordship may kindly peruse that order. That order dated 10th of February 2025. In the first writ petition, if your lordship may kindly.
Yes.
May I read, my lord? Petitioners, by way of instituting this batch of writ petitions, have raised the grievances with regard to the prescriptions of qualifications in advertised dated 26/12/2023 issued by the Director of Elementary Education. They are aggrieved by the decision of the state in not recognizing the qualification of 18 months diploma in elementary education from National Institute of Open Schooling for filling up the post advertised under the said advertisement. The fundamental ground of the petitioner is that in terms of the determination made by the Honorable Apex Court in the order dated 10/12/2024, this is the review petition, my lord, passed in diary number such and such, arising out of civil appeal such and such, petitioner's qualifications of diploma is being recognized. It is further contended by the learned counsel of the petitioner that in terms of the aforesaid determination made by the Honorable Apex Court, the competent authority, that is National Council of Teachers Education.
Yes, I will.
Yes, Lordship, here we need to file our affidavit.
No.
And Lordship,
See, the issue is in a very short campaign.
Lordship.
So, of course, subject to perusal of the order of the Supreme Court.
Lordship,
So you have been given to
Lordship,
respond the submissions.
may I submit, Lordship? Two things, Lordship.
Huh.
One, in the earlier occasion, on Lordship may kindly peruse the order dated 2nd of February 2024, that interim prayer of the petitioner has been rejected. And
Right.
subsequently, Lordship, as per the NCT norms, Lordship, 18 months diploma course was recognized. There is no mention about 18 months course in the NCT. But the government of Assam recognized that for in-service teachers, not for a fresh application, Lordship. And now, Lordship, for fresh,
My lord, may I-
because we have.
No,
After this.
Can I just take-
To 2024.
Lordship,
After
Lordship.
rejecting the prayer,
Yeah.
it has been taken to a division bench.
Yes, my lord. Division bench, my lord, the
No,
appeal
that-
has also been disposed of. My
It has
lord,
been-
he is trying not to come to the core issue, which I am projecting before lordship, my lord. Now, these petitioners, they cannot deny the aspect that they are not eligible in the light of the Supreme Court judgment, my lord. They fall within the category of
Are
18
you
months.
saying so?
So,
No,
You
no,
take-
Lordship.
then let him come on.
Let us file our affidavit,
No.
Lordship. Lordship will fix next week. And Mr. R. Majumdar is taking care of this matter, Lordship. Lordship fix next.
My lords, can I take 2 minutes if my lord would kindly permit?
Yes.
I am in item 31, which is connected, and I had the opportunity to assist the Honorable Supreme Court in the very same matter. Can I just take 2 minutes if my lords would permit? My lords, the equivalence of both these courses vis-a-vis 18 months as to 24 months has been clarified by the Honorable Supreme Court by an order of 1012, where State of Assam was a party. Thereafter, my lords, at least 9 states have implemented the Honorable Supreme Court's order, saying that wherever there is a recruitment for 24-month diploma, these 18-month Nios D.El.Ed holders will be considered valid. If my lord could for a minute, at item 31, we have filed an additional affidavit, my lords. If my lord could have that just for a minute, I wanted to show 2 orders.
The
This
file
is a-
also in item.
My learned friend is only appearing in 31. Rest of the matter I am representing.
Which this thing you have filed? Which writ petition you have filed the IA?
IA in all writ petitions, my lord, from 16 to 38 in all writ petitions. So that, my lord, in each cases, my lord, there can be separate order highlighting the same issue, my lord.
In item 31, I have filed an additional affidavit to show that how the Honorable Supreme Court has only implemented its own order, saying that I'm sorry.
Writ petitioners in Supreme Court, in the case, you are also party.
No. We are not required to go to Supreme Court, my lord, with a simple reason. We were already protected by the order of this division bench, my lord. So we
Just asking
yes, my lord.
whether you are a
No,
party
no,
or not.
no.
State of Assam was a party because I had filed an MA on behalf of some candidates from the state of Assam, and state of Assam was a respondent because
Who is not the petitioner in this bunch of writ petitions?
I am a petitioner in this bunch of writ petitions. Manoj, my writ
You are
petition.
petitioner, but then some of the petitioners were in that case.
Yes, some of the petitioners were in that case. I can produce a chart to that effect. I myself had filed an application. If my lord would just have for a minute, writ petition 1913 of 24. 1913 of 24. The issue is slightly serious. Therefore, I am laying some emphasis on this, my lords. The Honorable Supreme Court, in fact, has twice now issued contempt notices.
But the status of the recruitment process.
That is exactly I'm about to press, my lord. Now, the state respondents, they are going to publish the results, my lord, barring the results of these present petitioners who are around 1,700 candidates, my lord. Now, what they are going to do, they will publish the results of these other candidates, my lord, because there is a bar from this court that you will not publish the result without a leave of the court. So why I'm pressing, my lord, this is urgency, because these people are aging, my lord. Because if this goes on like this, they will not be able to participate in the next recruitment process also,
I
my lord.
understood.
Yes, my lord.
Only, Mr. Sharma,
Lordship,
only what you have to respond
Lordship,
is in view of the whether this Supreme Court judgment
Lordship,
covers the matter or not.
Lordship,
That's the only issue.
Lordship.
There is no dispute
No.
that you have issued a notification debarring them, and that you have, you have not recognized their
Lordship, Lordship.
their degree or diploma,
Lordship.
the certificates or the courses
Lordship.
which they have undertaken.
Hmm.
Now, the similar issue, if it has been decided with the Honorable Supreme Court,
Lordship.
what's there to be adjudicated?
We'll
Can I
respond.
just show that, my lords? Can I just
We will
show
respond to
that?
that, Lordship.
Just see for a minute. Can I just show that order?
Yes, my lord.
Sir,
Yes, my lord.
one month back.
1 month back.
Lordship will fix next week, Lordship.
No, I'm sorry, because I'm opposing any kind of adjournment. I'm sorry, I'm opposing any kind of adjournment because I'm saying this with responsibility. 9 state high courts. Out of 9, 7, I had the opportunity to assist those honorable high courts. 9 state high courts have already implemented Honorable Supreme Court's order saying that the equivalence is to be considered at par.
Sir, where are you from?
Because I'm from Delhi, my lords.
Where are you going from?
I'm from Delhi, my lords.
Come here. And you're Guwahati.
No, my lords, I'll be honored. I'll be honored, my lords.
Guwahati.
I'll be honored, my lords. I'll be honored, my lords.
Personally, I mean, in person.
No, I'll be honored, my lords.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can I just place this, my lords? If
No,
there's
No, I have understood. Problem is that the learned counsel who is representing the state is not available
Yes,
today.
my lord.
We'll take it up next week.
Yes,
Manoj,
my
then there is one request, Manoj. Let them
Next
not
week,
publish the
Tuesday.
merit
Yes,
list.
my
Lordship.
Very well.
Let them not publish the merit list for anyone, Manoj. The reason is this. That will create third party rights, Manoj. One that is against the Honorable Supreme Court's order. Let
Well,
them at least
expecting-
maintain status quo.
This court is expecting you to hear you physically on next Tuesday.
Very well, Manoj. Let status quo at least be maintained, Manoj.
No,
That
not
is my.
Tuesday. Make it
Thursday, my lord.
Tuesday.
Right.
Lordship, on
Thursday
This
will be
Thursday.
no, coming Thursday or this Tuesday?
Next Thursday.
next.
27th. 27th will be good, Manoj. Next
27th.
27 we have picked some matters.
Or my lord,
Thursday.
Thursday will be
27th is
my lord.
Thursday, Manoj.
Thursday means 27, Lordship. Or
Okay, 27.
Manoj, let status quo be maintained because in meanwhile they publish the
or
list.
8th of April,
Or 8th of
Lordship,
April, if
Tuesday.
it is not inconvenient
Huh?
for my lord, 8th of April, or if my learned friend is available on 8th of April,
8th of April.
8th
no
of
issue.
April, Lordship.
8th of April.
8th of April.
Lordship.
Provided, my lord, they may take some steps relating to publication of the results. So they may be little careful because
No,
there is
no,
already an
there is
interim order of this court,
already
my
an
lord.
interim order by the.
Yes, my lord. There is already interim order. They should keep in mind because otherwise everything will be prejudiced, my lord.
We'll keep it part hard.
Yes, my lord. My lord should
Alright.
keep it part hard.
Lordship.
Yes, my lord. That will.
Would 27th March be convenient, Manoj? Let it be on 27th March. These people are suffering without job for years, Manoj.
No, your friend is seeking for 8th of March.
8th of April.
8th of
April.
April. 8th of April.
Because there's too much of cases on board, my lord, on 27. As
My learned counsel can assist, Manoj.
I mean, even if it listed also may not be.
may not reach, my lord.
They may not reach.
8th is April is fine, my lord.
8th of April.
8th of April. Huh?
Lordship.
What, Mr.
H. Buragohai, my lord.
H. Burungo and Mr.
Mandeep Kalra.
Learned Counsel. Learned Counsel.